What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. Be sure to smash the like button if you enjoy this video, and don't forget to drop a comment. I have some extremely bullish news for you guys covering the SoFi stock. We already know today was an incredible day early in the day for the SoFi stock and also DraftKings. The Super Bowl hype is starting to build up. Everything was flowing extremely nice, and then we had the circus come to town. Putin headlines invading Ukraine, 120,000 troops on the border, absolutely tanking the market. Joe Biden having to get on the phone with Putin later today to discuss, what his plans are, invading Ukraine. This absolutely tanked the market. I believe the NASDAQ was down 3% at one point today. Remember, guys, we had those two massive negative catalysts destroying the market the past, couple of months, inflation and COVID. One of those catalysts have now been removed, the COVID, and replaced with, Russia-Ukraine invasion. So now it's inflation and also war. So these are the catalysts destroying the market, just like we seen yesterday with the inflation rate hike fears from one of the Fed members. We are in a circus right now, guys. We will get past this. These are buying opportunities inside of the market. Some companies are performing well and some companies are not. You just need to have confidence in what you are buying, and I have confidence in this management team with SoFi that they are going to execute on a 2022 guidance raise. And if you search SoFi stock at the top of YouTube channel right now, you can see the Stock Goat is the #1 YouTube channel covering the SoFi stock, any type of updates, guys. We're going to be keeping you updated on all the breaking news. And once again, guys, I have some great news to share with you today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you find any of this information useful, and be sure to smash the like button once again. Let's get into the video. You guys can see that the news absolutely tanking the market right now is all over the place. Russia invasion of Ukraine. ABC News, Russia could invade Ukraine during the Olympics, guys. This is going to push massive fear inside of the market. And as we can see, the NASDAQ is down about 2.6% as I'm filming this video, right around 3 o'clock. And it was down 1 point even lower, right around 3% today. So we've had a massive decline these past couple of days. I mean, the NASDAQ has literally dropped another 5% almost. Remember, guys, the max pain was about 18% on the NASDAQ. So we're at about 14% right now. So as you guys can see, every single index is absolutely plummeting today. Russell, NASDAQ, Dow, S&P 500. Bank of America says to buy SoFi. It's not just another neo bank. We can see SoFi Technologies research coverage started at Bank of America, and they initiated a price of $17. In my personal opinion, I believe, this is a garbage, price target to give out now that SoFi has got, the bank charter license, margin investing, and options trading are going to be added to the platform. I believe these analysts are playing it safe and just going off of each other's price targets, all the way into the $16 to $19 range. They're all following each other because they want to hit their price targets so they can, initiate higher price targets after they hit these extremely low ones. And also, massive accumulation is happening at these levels day by day. So take a look at this, guys. This is Fintel. This is going to give you institutional ownership, guys. And I had this up early in the morning, just checking it out because I was going to start filming a video. So I left this page up. But guys, take a look at this. Institutional ownership, 48.89%. I promise you this page is from today. I decided to open up another one and take a look at what I found. Institutional ownership has gone from 48% to over 50% today. This is literally happening before our eyes. While retail investors are selling because of something that's going on 5,000 miles away from America, guys, in different countries, wars, people are selling out of fear, and I can't blame them. But you can see the smart money is accumulating at these levels because the smart money knows the direction of where SoFi is headed in the very near future. Take a look at this, guys. On the most recent filing, February 11th, JP Morgan Chase, guys, they have increased their ownership by 122%, now bringing them to 1.6 million shares, guys. This is a holding of about $25 million. So I just did a video for you the other day covering Bank of America, right around $9 million. I did another video for you covering Citadel, right around $90 million. And I just did another video for you showing that BlackRock has increased their position to $300 million. And once again, you can see the details in all of these videos. Bank of America, Citadel, and BlackRock, guys. I'm going to keep you updated anytime the big money is buying. So subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated on the SoFi stock. And I'm going to add into this video another big buy increase that came yesterday that I wanted to, put in another video because yesterday's video was just BlackRock. TD Asset Management, February 10th. Take a look at this, guys. If we just scroll over, they increased ownership by 92%, bringing them up to 1.38 million shares. This is a holding of $22 million. So as you guys can see, all of these big banks are getting in on the pie. And when you're talking, 10, 20, 30, $50 million. I mean, these are some pretty big buys coming in that they have faith in the SoFi stock. So accumulation is happening. You saw the ownership go up literally today from 48% to 50% on this massive Ukraine, news tanking, the NASDAQ 3%. Take a look at what some of the institutional ownership on some of these, growth stocks that have been rallying, the past year. I believe Net is still up 500%. They have an ownership of around 79%. Once the big boys start accumulating, they start letting the stock run and they stop shorting. Bill.com, they must be up 500% as well. Institutional ownership, 98%. You cannot make this stuff up. The stocks are going to run once the big boys have finalized accumulating their shares. Microsoft, institutional ownership, 70%. It was probably a little higher. It could have came back, when some of these mega caps, pressure came off. Just showing you. Institutional ownership, all of these are over 70%. So taking a look at the overall market today, we're falling about 65 growth stocks, and coming in at last place is Affirm, down 21%. These guys pulled their 2022 guidance. It looks like the Amazon partnership was not what investors, were expecting. I can't believe AMD is down 10%. Cloudflare reported nice earnings, 9%. Dozens of companies down 7, 6. Snowflake, Coinbase, Upstart, 4%, 3%, guys. We're in the top 30 right now. Dozens of companies down 3%, 2%. DoorDash, PaySafe, ChargePoint, SentinelOne, Microsoft, Apple, Robinhood. If we go to the top, we have literally 4 companies in the green. That's DraftKings and also, SoFi and Moderna. So SoFi is holding up. We know this is because of the Super Bowl media attention just going around. CNBC is also filming right outside the NFL stadium. So this is just, people getting excited. So SoFi was up about, 6% today at one point. It's very, very sad that, Putin is trying to go on a killing spree, potentially murdering a bunch of people in Ukraine, trying to gain power, trying to put fears inside of Europe. This guy is absolutely losing his mind. And I really do hope Putin comes to his senses and just, stays in his own lane. But guys, we have no clue what's going on. Biden and Putin are going to be getting on the phone. And we know that, Biden is definitely trying to promote peace. He is definitely not for war. Some of the presidents back in the day, like a Bush, were all for war. And we don't need war, guys. We don't need war for anybody, any countries, Iraq back in the day. We definitely need to stay away from war because there's no reason for people have to die because of power and control. Something to just get you guys a little bit excited about, even though today is a horrible day inside of the market with that Russia-Ukraine news. As you guys can see, we have the DraftKings CEO, and just listen to what he has to say at the beginning of the video.
Well, this is definitely going to be the biggest Super Bowl that we've ever had. You just flashed up the stat, 31 million Americans, $7.6 billion bet. The reality is that the vast majority of that is actually still...
So guys, $7 billion in betting going on in the Super Bowl. There's going to be over 100, potentially 120 million of viewers watching this game. SoFi is doing a great job, getting their marketing primed and ready, with 1% interest rate, TikTok marketing over 1 billion streams, and, also margin investing. So if SoFi hits the nail on the head and delivers amazing marketing commercials, they're going to get millions and millions of traffic, to their app and also website. And hopefully they can convert those people into customers to put out great 2022 guidance. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. Today was an absolute amazing early morning, and then things can turn because we are inside of that circus market that just is nonstop FUD. The media is spreading the fear left and right, and now we have Russia, Ukraine, taking the place of the coronavirus as the 2 worst catalysts inside of the market with inflation. So guys, all you can do really is buy the dip, or you can sell out, sell for losses, leave the market forever. The best thing to do is, be inside of the market. Trying to time the market is extremely difficult because it only takes, one day, for the market to rally hard and never come back. So we're still in, ups and downs, a lot of day trading. No one is going long on side of companies. but you need to be invested in companies that are really going to be disrupting, massive markets, just like the banking legacy industry. You even see that the banks are doubling down on this opportunity with SoFi right now. So once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.